walking, so
Timer start. Timer stop. Motor on.
helps you add the motor on. She flies! Trim feels good. Oh, my rudder's reversed. Well, so right's left, left is right. I'm gonna have to get this down and fix that. Oh my gosh, I've been working on it upside down. No rudder. Oh. Got more walkers. I'm so used to adding rudder right there. Oh man. Alright, let's get a good landing in here.
Timer stop.
Alright. Tuco! Hey! Let's see, ASX should still be on. Yeah. Shoot. All right, let's see how it flies now. Much better on the takeoff. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is if that ASX is used to a little rudder in the churns helped. Let's go hammer left. Yes. Throttle up. Here come my buddies. That wasn't a bad landing, to tell you the truth. I just hit the tall grass and I missed my wide landing strip here. I don't know what rates I got. I ain't even gonna worry about it. Wow, that was out of my vision for a long ways there. Well, how did I miss that? I guess when I was centering the control horn in the servo, obviously I wasn't paying attention to direction. A lot of walkers today. I saw a lot of cars parked up where people would walk park. I don't know if I'm gonna get to fly my jet. It's gonna be hard to hand toss today. Man, rudders make a big difference on this plane.
Timer start.
I feel nervous, and I don't know why. This plane's like cutting butter.
Timer stop.
Talk about a crab and landing there, man. I hope I got that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's like last time I was out videoing.